We already finished number 1. Let's watch the number 2. Take out the number 2. And inside we have red Play-Doh. Red. Inside the red one we have I think I know who this is. Oh, we have Evie. I have to get it out. It's yucky Play-Doh. She doesn't want to be trapped forever. So let's get him out. 1. Let's see. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's stuck. I guess we have to keep digging. She's coming out. Look. Wow. Look. It's Evie. She was stuck in lots of Play-Doh. And now, let's play and from the side. Wait, I wonder what happened. We lost Evie's tail. Whoa, you find your tail? I think her tail's somewhere here. Yes, yes, yes! That's Evie's tail. She was. Now let's put it back. That's Evie again. Let's put it back. Pikachu. Pikachu and your best friends. Let's see if there's something else. Nope. I think that's it. Let's clear up all of that red Play-Doh. You finished Play-Doh number 2. Now later we can open a number 3.